Hi guys, so here we are with the jailbreaking video that I promised you guys. I'm currently running an iPad Air 2 with 8.1 on there. As you can see here, there's no previous jailbreak on there. Just basically a brand new iPad Air 2. What I've done is I put that on flight mode because obviously a lot of these people who create these jailbreaks say it's best if you have it on flight mode just in case it was to connect to the network at all. So what you want to do is download a jailbreak called TaiG Jailbreak, and this is their site here. The servers are quite slow. It did take about 5 minutes to download their zip file, so I won't go ahead and download that again. I'll just show you where it is. If you scroll down here, download jailbreak version 1.2.1, which is for iOS 8, or the new version which is in beta mode for iOS 8.2. So I just downloaded the current version, the version 1.2.1, and here it is here. What we'll do is we'll right click on that and run that as an administrator. I did try to use Pangu Jailbreak before, which is the one I used on my iPhone 6, which worked really well, but it doesn't seem to work, so I don't know if that's something that's been, like, people have been made aware of. What you want to do on here, install Cydia, but don't install this 3K assistant, simply because it's not needed and it's just going to clog up your device with things you don't want. So this big green button supposedly means start, so we'll give that a press and we'll watch this percentage go now. Keep an eye on your iPad because you will get a notification on there soon as well, so yeah, we'll keep watching this for now. Okay, so you're getting a storage almost full. That basically means that they're using your disk and you can't access it at the moment, so just ignore that. There's no reason to panic. That's now restarting. You've got this little green smiley face here and some Chinese writing, which I assume means everything went well and no problems with the install. So we can go ahead and we can close that and just wait for our device to reboot. Now we're back on the boot screen here, so we'll wait while that restarts. Okay, so the device is now restarted, as you can see here. One thing that you need to know is you need to, before you start that jailbreak, you should turn off your auto lock and also turn off your passcode as well, just to be on the safe side. So we'll go ahead, we'll swipe to unlock, and as you can see, we have Cydia installed there. You can open Cydia. You need to turn on or turn off the flight mode. I can do that in here. Get back into Cydia and let it do its thing. What I would recommend is if you're a user, if you don't know what you're really doing with the device, just stick with the user settings. Otherwise, leave it as like programmer or hacker, I think it's called, and this way you get access to everything on the Cydia store. You can do all sorts of things with your file system that you wouldn't be able to do under the user setting because they don't want you to destroy your device, which, to be honest, it's quite difficult to destroy your device, but people have been known to do it. There are a couple of tweaks out there at the moment which are designed specifically to ruin your iPad, so be careful with what you're downloading, but unless you're just installing basic things, then you shouldn't worry. There'll always be a lot of information about these on forums. Stay subscribed to my channel. I'll be installing various Cydia tweaks and apps over the next few days, and I'll show you the safe way on how you can do that. But yeah, this will just basically take a few minutes. It will exit when complete. I'll leave it run so you guys can see exactly what type of screen you'll be presented with. Again, you've got this storage almost full warning. Just ignore that. Just press on done and wait until it's done. I'll show you that your storage isn't full once this is finished. What happens is Cydia will lock down the disk while it installs its various tweaks and things that are needed and sets up its file system, so your iPad will think that it's full even when it's actually not. Okay, so it looks like it's finished now because it's doing a reboot. Okay, so we'll run Cydia once again. And there we go, Cydia is all set up, ready to go now. It's just updating sources here. They might get a notification telling you that there is some updates. Just go ahead, install all the updates, as long as you know what you've previously added to your repo, which it's basically a store where you'll get your tweaks from. You should be fine. If you have any problems, ask me a question below and I'll try and answer you out and help you out as best I can. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep tuned for more videos coming over the next few days. Thank you.